Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy, refreshing, fat burning drink that will help you burn fats, clean your skin from the inside so you can glow and looking so beautiful. So after consuming your juice, you can actually eat up the fruits in, and I'll share with you how to come up with this very yummy, refreshing, fat burning summer recipe. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient we'll be using will be hibiscus leaf, dried hibiscus leaves. So they call it sobolo or zobo or foolery, whichever you want to call it. These are dried hibiscus, very good for cleansing your inner system, support your system to flush out fats, lower your cholesterol levels. Like, it cleans your system from the inside. So you want to get a handful of hibiscus leaves, wash, like use a sieve so you don't leave any kind of particles. Like, you want to really clean it up. So this is a handful, and I'll be adding in 4 cups of hot water, so that way it doesn't take a lot of time for me to boil these leaves up to get the tea out of it. Yeah, so this is it. You just add in 4 cups of water, and you can take it to your stove or your cooker, wherever, to boil for like 10-15 minutes. So the benefits, like the tea from the leaves, actually really get infused in your water, because we'll be using it to come up with our drink. So this is it. For 10 minutes, boil 10 minutes. If you use hot water, you actually just boil for like 10 minutes and you're good. So I'll just leave it to cool down while I prepare the other ingredients. So this is a kind of a fat burning, inner cleansing drink I'm coming up with, and you can never go wrong adding ginger. Ginger is very good at boosting your metabolism, so that way you can easily break down and flush out accumulated waste, toxins, like stuffs in your system unwanted, making you gain a lot of weight. That way you feel so light, energetic, cleans your system, and you're free from bacteria or diseases in your system. That way you stay so healthy, very clean from the inside, with no accumulated toxins making you look big or bloated. Like, this is so good to cleanse and give you energy for this summer. So this is it. You want to get your ginger. You can use like 2 to 3 stems of ginger. We need a good amount of it in here, because this drink can actually carry you for 5 days, and I'll show you how you can actually have this for like 5 days if you are having it alone. So you want to watch the video till the end. So you peel your ginger, chop into some sizes that you can actually blend to come up, because we'll be coming up with kind of a ginger juice from here. Yeah, so you just put your ginger, add in 1 cup of water in your blender, and blend, so we can achieve juice out of the ginger to add in our hibiscus tea rather. So this is it. After you blend, you use your sieve to get the juice out of it. So what we need is the ginger juice. That way, blending this way dilutes the ginger, so it doesn't really get so strong. You don't want to juice it. Like, blend it this way, so you add a little bit of water so it doesn't get so strong. So I'll be adding 2 lemons in here. So these are my 2 sliced lemons. I'll achieve the juice out of the lemon. Lemons are very good for fat burning as well. They help remove excess cholesterol, making you gain belly fat. You know, that bad fat in your belly, this washes everything. You clear, poo everything out. Like, this is so good for cleansing bad fats, boosting your metabolism this period, so you can easily metabolize food. It burns, so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Like, this is so the best recipe for summer period. Plus, the way I'll come up with this, it will be so refreshing. So that is it. You want to like get like, you see, I'm trying to get all the juice. Yeah, so now my hibiscus tea is cooled down now. So you want to sieve. It's not really cool, but it's cool down that I can work with now. So you just let it cool down while preparing the other ingredients, and use your sieve to sieve, so you don't get any particles. Like, your sieve will do. So you don't want to throw the hibiscus after you can actually use this 2 more times. So don't throw it. You can leave it somewhere in a bowl, store in your refrigerator. So I'll be adding in a little bit of honey in here for taste. Honey, raw honey. So this is my raw honey. You want to add in raw honey, not sugar. If you're looking to burn fat, don't add sugar. Add in honey or stevia, like low calorie kind of sweetener that will not make you gain weight. And honey is very good for internal cleansing as well. It has some good enzymes to cleanse bacteria in your system. So I'll be adding the juice from the ginger. So I've added my ginger juice. That is like a cup of ginger juice, and half a cup, like two lemons rather, sorry, 2 lemons, and I'll add 1 cup of water. So after you add your ingredients, you add 1 cup of water, so you really dilute the ginger juice and the lemon. You don't want it too strong, so you add 1 cup of water. Then now you can use your sieve one last time to sieve. That way your drink comes out really smooth. And in order to serve, I'll be using strawberries, slices of strawberries and oranges. So you just need to get your strawberries, like 2-3 strawberries. Get your orange, you need just 4 slices of oranges, because I'll be achieving 2 cups. This is how I serve it. You can actually drink it without all these. You just want to serve it and feel like refreshed, like you're not like having fun while burning that fat, like refreshing your system. So I'll be adding in the slices of orange. Like, just watch what I do. You just put your slices of oranges. This brings in more taste and flavor in here as well. So this is for 2. You can actually, depending on you, but you still have a large cup in there you can consume for like 5 days. So for just day 1, or you can just add in your ice cubes, your orange and your strawberries, like you see me doing here. Like, after you finish, as I mentioned, you can actually eat up the fruits in here. Like, this is so refreshing. Like, this is so, it tastes so good, most especially when you're done with the juice and you are eating the fruits. So refreshing. So you want to, this is when you add in your hibiscus the tea, your hibiscus tea in here. This is when you add it to make it really good. Like, this is so powerful. This is so good. The ginger, the lemon. So anyway, let me get into this before. So you can store that in your refrigerator. The remaining juice you store in your refrigerator. Whenever, you can drink it just like that, or if you feel like adding some orange juice and strawberries, that is fine. This is just my way of having fun. Like, this is so refreshing, most especially during this hot summer period. Consuming this cleanses you, helps you burn fat, lower your cholesterol levels, like keeps your system so healthy from the inside. This is something you want to try, and share the recipe with your family and friends, visitors, whoever comes to visit you. Try this recipe, whip it up so fast, and entertain your guests with. Trust me, they'll go back home loving you. It tastes so yummy. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.